So good afternoon to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about CG Power. So mainly we'll discuss about the bulk deals which happened in the company, and also we'll do the volume analysis to find out the next possible levels. So previously when we discussed about CG Power in the first video, we have discussed about the fundamentals of the company and also the technical analysis when it was trading near 15 rupees level and our immediate targets were 20 rupees. So later in the past videos when I discussed about CG Power, I discussed about the quarter results of CG Power which were slightly negative, and I also discussed about the levels which it has respected very well. So we'll do the analysis to find out the next possible supports as well as resistances. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and also join the Telegram group so that whenever any stock, whether it may be upper circuit or lower circuit stock or any long-term stock, I'm updating it in the Telegram group so that it will be very quick to buy and sell. Okay, so join the Telegram. I'll provide the link in the comment section as well as in the description. So before discussing about the various bulk deals, so let us have a look on the basic overview. So if you see, the market cap of the company is almost around 1400 crores, and if you see, current market price of the stock is 23.15, and it was slightly positive on Friday. And when you see, the industry PE of the company is 44.87, and currently if you see the PE, there is no PE for the company because in the past financials the company has reported the loss. So we have discussed the financials as well. If you have not watched the video, definitely you can watch that as well. So loss has increased if we compare with the previous quarter, so that's why PE is not available, and it doesn't imply that if any company is reporting loss it should fall continuously. And in the same way, if a company is posting extraordinary results, also it should rise continuously. It may happen either, especially in operator based stocks, so anything may happen. So we need to be very cautious. As I suggested, always enter with small quantities. The profit also will be decent, and also when correction happens you will get an opportunity to average your price. Okay, so when you see the deliverable quantities, you can see almost 58.31 deliverable quantities were seen. So when we discuss about the various bulk deals which happen in the company, as I told that in earlier videos, if many people ask about bulk deals, then definitely I will make a video on it. So today we'll discuss all the bulk deals on day-to-day basis, that how many people or how many organizations have done the bulk deals. So first organization that has sold almost 40 lakh shares on September 1st is Finquest Financial Solutions, which has sold almost 40 lakh shares at 23.80 price. And also another person, that is Chetan Rasiklal Shah, he has also sold his particular first he has bought at 22 rupees, he has buyed almost 32 lakh shares, and again he has sold 36 lakh shares at 22.41. so a quick trade to earn the profit. Okay, so we'll discuss about this particular person also. Who is this person who has done the trading in CG Power? So again on 31st August, so we are going little back. On 31st August, you can see about Swapnil Mehta. I discussed about this particular person completely in my future retail video. So definitely you can watch about this particular person. He regularly does the trading in almost all the penny stocks, whether it may be CG Power when it was a penny, CG Power, it may be Brightcom Group, it may be so many stocks. In future retail is the one stock which he had done recently. So I discussed about this particular person. He is a managing director of Persistent Systems, and you can see he has also sold 32 lakh shares at 22.40. so these levels again where they have sold their stake becomes a very good resistance as well, which we can watch. And same again, Chetan Rasiklal Shah has bought at 22.15, and Ashwin Stocks and Investment Private has also done the bulk deal in the company. So what are these particular organizations or individuals they are doing? So just they are buying at low price, whether it may be 1 rupee profit, because the way they are selling the quantity, so 33 lakh shares into they are selling at even 2 rupees profit also, you will be getting with that much amount of quantity also you will be getting huge amount of profit. So what they are basically doing, so they are just creating panic situation for retailers who are new to the market. So many people who entered at high levels, so they fear that the stock will start correcting. But what they will do, so they will just take an opportunity of their loss. So that's why I suggest, so whenever you invest at any high price, you can hold it if you are taking small quantities. If you're taking heavy quantities, then you should question yourself, so that is your responsibility. So if you're taking any small quantity, definitely you should hold that if you have trust on the company. So that is what I can say. So don't do any sort of heavy selling, because when you book loss, for them it will be the profit. So think twice before you do any sort of selling. Okay, so now when we go to 26th August, so first we discussed on 1st September, again 31st August, and now we are to 26th August 2020, where again Mr. Swapnil Mehta has done the trading at 19.40, again sold two times. Again Chetan Rasiklal Shah has bought at 19.56, again Ashwin Stocks and Investments bought at 19.40, again they have sold at 19.36. So regular rigorous trading is happening by these organizations mainly. That's why we see heavy quantity in sell order or heavy quantity in buy order. So these type of organizations or people, they do such sort of things to either create a panic situation, or either they force the retailers to sell their stocks. Okay, so that is what happens in most of the penny stocks. So in big because in when we compare any mid cap stock or large cap stock, those things cannot happen because those cannot be manipulated easily. So these people enter into these type of stocks and create a panic situation. So as I suggested, people who are holding at low levels, they can definitely hold. So these type of people come and go since we are going fundamentally. So since backup is there for the company, so always invest in small quantities and hold for long term. So that is the strategy you need to follow. So now we'll discuss about this particular person, Chetan Rasiklal Shah. Who is he? So why is he doing rigorous trading? So who is Chetan Rasiklal Shah, who has done the bulk deals in the CG Power? So not only him, if you want to know about Swapnil Mehta as well, you can watch my earlier videos. In that we have discussed about him. So if you want what are the various bulk deals done by them, so directly you can Google Swapnil Mehta's bulk deal. So you'll get entire list of stocks where he has done the bulk deals. So you'll be shocked because there will be plenty lists where they have done the bulk deals on daily basis. So that is what they are doing. So if you see, Chetan Rasiklal Shah is registered with Ministry of Corporate Affairs, so MCA. So he is registered with Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So he is doing this particular bulk deals on weekly basis in CG Power. On daily basis also we can see so many deals have been done at various levels. So why they are doing such sort of bulk deals? Because they are earning a quick trade, because when they put 33 lakh shares at 20 rupees and they're exiting at 22 rupees, so 2 rupees profit into that much amount of quantity, you can imagine how much amount, that is lakhs of profit, is earned within a single day. So how they are getting the profit? So when the retailers, when they exit, when they book their losses, it of course is the profit for them. So that's why I'm telling, if you're holding any stock in small quantities, definitely you should hold without doing any sort of selling. So don't enter into a panic situation. So when we discuss the fundamentals, only financials are weak. Okay, so that requires time and patience. So we know that from penny stock it has emerged almost to 20 rupees. So that is not a joke also, since the Murugappa group, after buying the continuous stake of 700 crores, so that much amount of stake, why does any organization buy? So what is the requirement? So you need to understand all these things. So when potential is there, so then only those type of organizations come and buy the stake. Okay, so now we'll move on to the volume analysis. Hope all the bulk deals are clear. So these are the various bulk deals which happened in the company. So if you want further information, so directly you can Google these particular names and find out the various bulk deals. So when you see the volume analysis, so clearly on 11th September, you can see 100% deliverable quantities were seen, and you can see traded quantity is completely reducing. And you can see, even though the company has reported a huge loss, the stock has given one day upper circuit, but later again in next day also buying was seen, and it is showing some trading. So direct upper circuit, lower circuit is not seen. It is having a movement. So free entry as well as exit is possible. So that happens only in we can say the strongs which are having a strong backup. stocks which are having strong backup, for them only that will be possible, because any stock with loss, that directly sometimes it gives lower circuit, continuous lower circuits will be seen, but this stock has not shown that. So that is very good for the people who have bought at high levels as well. So if you see the returns in just 1 week, you can see only 5%, we can say 6% downside was seen in the stock, and in 1 month 92.2% returns. You can expect, almost you can assume that 100% returns were given in a span of 1 month. So you can say which stock gives that much huge returns in a short span of time. So that's why when I was discussing from 15 rupees level also, I told hold this stock, don't do any sort of selling, because at any point of time anything may happen, because we are not operators to decide. So you can hold. So with small amount, with the 2000 investment also, you are earning extra 2000 within 1 month. So that's why with small quantity also money can be made. So don't think that only heavy amount will give heavy returns. It will give, but risk also will be there. If you are capable of taking that risk, then you can. So that you need to understand, because many people enter with high quantity and then they fall into panic situation, what to do. So if you build that panic situation, then you can invest small quantities. Understand that. Okay. So in 3 months, 270%, 6 months, 340, 3 times, you can assume 3 times your investment. Okay. So when we see what the indicators are suggesting, so you can see momentum is still present for the stock, and you can see RSI and money flow index are little bit in overbought region. So same case as we discussed in Vikas Multicorp also. So no excessive selling is seen in the stock. Okay, so nobody is selling, or nobody, major institutions are not willing to sell. Okay, so still in 92, generally we know that 80 above is called overbought, and same RSI also, sorry, 70 above is called overbought, and 30 below is called oversold. Okay, so whenever any stock approaches overbought, possible pullback will happen, and from oversold, reversal will happen. So this is not 100% confirmation. So just on indicator basis we have a confirmation. Okay, so now we'll move on to the technical charts, and we'll find out the next possible supports as well as resistances. So we're back onto the technical chart. So this is the 1-day chart. So clearly when we discussed about the financials of the company, so it has given lower circuit because loss was reported, but later again heavy buying was seen in the stock, and yesterday also, that is Friday, also movement was seen in the stock without any upper circuit or lower circuit. So important level is the 20 rupees level also is a very important level, and also you can see above that we have 21 rupees level. So 21 rupees level is respected, and also you can watch the 20 level, that is 20 EMA. So the red color line is the 20 EMA and the green color one is the 50 EMA. So we have discussed about this particular stock when it was almost 16 rupees level in our previous videos. So must watch level is 20 rupees level, which are the supports, and immediate next one is 80. So these are only the two supports. So maximum it may reach that if any correction is seen. So if you want to invest, you can. And next resistances for the stock will be the 24 rupees as well as 5.5 rupees level, from where it has started showing the downfall. Okay, so watch these two levels. So since the financials are little weak, so that's why the stock has shown in between a correction. So apart from that, nothing major selling was seen in the stock. So when you see the volume also, you can see that the amount of buying is little much less, so selling also is not there. So that is also a very good indication. So major selling after hitting the lower circuit also, no major selling. After the financials have declared also, no major selling. So only little buying is happening, and it may take a little time. So definitely you can hold for long term. And as usual, you can see money flow index is a little bit of overbought region. So nobody is willing to sell. So major selling is not happening. So that's why money flow index has remained in overbought region. So always I suggest, whether it may be whether it may be very good stock, always you need to invest in small quantities and hold for the long term. Hope everything is clear. So we have discussed all the bulk deals, volume analysis, as well as technical charts. So if you like the video, definitely like it. And if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe the channel and share it to your friends as well if you found it useful. So until then, take care. Bye bye.